My friend and executive producer of my YouTube channel, Cory Dobbs, sent over a special parcel all the way from the States, landed here in South Africa. So let's see what it is. I think I know what it is, folks. This is a special one. For those of you that don't know, Brian released a documentary, Blue Planet Red, and it's available on streaming platforms, and also he sent me a copy on, let's see if this is it. Yes, folks, there it is, Blue Planet Red on Blu-ray. Let's take the package away. So, folks, I'll be reviewing this, and keep an eye on my YouTube channel. I should be reviewing it soon. Just want to give it a look over. So yeah, folks, a very special gift from my friend in the States, Cory Dobbs, writer and producer of this world-class, award-winning documentary. Thank you, Brian. Much appreciated, man. Let's see if I get my thumbs up. Yeah, there we go. This is my first unboxing video, folks. So yeah, I'm going to fire up the Blu-ray player, and I'm going to watch this and take notes, and then I'll do the review. When I opened the cover and took out the disc to watch it, I noticed there was a cool message from Brian. To my dear friend Jean, it is my great pleasure to highlight your world-class work with the public. Your efforts, along with others, will bring about the era of Mars disclosure.
What do you know about Mars?
I don't really think too much about it, really.
Do you know anything about it?
No, it's red.
Red?
That it's red.
Red. Red.
Did Mars have water on it?
Enormous amounts of water.
Where there could have been an ocean, for instance, that may have covered the entire northern hemisphere.
There's life on Mars now?
Yes.
In my opinion, the chances of finding life on Mars is 100%.
Why didn't they just send another life test experiment?
Because they don't want to know.
Is it possible that there was a civilization on Mars thousands of years ago?
Not natural formations, pyramid structures.
And so there could have been a lot of history before us that we are not aware of.
Then in principle, there could be relics of that technology on Mars.
To find an elevated level of xenon-129
Yes.
in a planet's atmosphere can only mean one thing.
It's not good news. Either we're alone or there are others around us, and either is terrifying.
Signs of major catastrophe are everywhere in evidence.
If they disclose this, the cat's out of the bag. We are not alone in our universe.